Hello there, this is Michael Kinsler with the $120 e-commerce website, and I'm just moving on based on a domain. Just moving on to the next setting. Here is the image. Okay, so we click on the image and you can see that that's the logo there that's in the actual website. So you basically that can be changed, and you see here this big massive image here. That is that little boy there in the corner in the browser. Okay, so if you just click on that, you'll actually see that and that there. So you can actually put whatever you want in there. So how that's achieved is very straightforward. You click on this little kind of picture here and it will pop up the image manager. And basically then you can actually select or upload your own image and use that. So as you can see, there's Qtell web design here, so I'm going to change that to Qtell web design, and then hold on now, let me see, let me click here and design, and there's my other design there. Okay, so basically then if I want to add an image in here, just say in the actual image itself, I just press in upload and it will pull up your browser here, another browser, and you just go to wherever you have your image stored. In my case it's documents and my pictures, and I just pull that up and say if I want to use that one there or this one here, or say one of these dragons in here, I just literally click on the image and it uploads, and it will tell me if it's fine or if the image is too big. Success. There we go. Now there's the image there. So if I click on that image, it has now changed it over to that. Again, if I save the changes and then refresh the page, the dragon will appear in here. You see what I'm saying? It's miles too big, so you have to make sure that the images that you use are of the right size. So go back into image, you see the actual size of it there. So I'm just going to revert that back to the image itself, and make sure that you use a proper image that's not too big, and you can practice on this. So design, now pull that one up and save the changes, and now it will go from this back to, refresh the page, back to its normal logo. And if you click on, right click, go into properties, just to give you an idea what it should be, and pull it up in here. Yeah, image dimensions should be around the 170 by 90 mark. That's what it should be. So if you have an image that's huge and you want to downscale it, just go into any of the image editors online on the internet and basically just change it to around those settings there, 172 pixels versus 90, and that's it. Upload it, insert it, and you've got your logo there. That's it, job done. Now we'll move on with this here on the right, which is the little logo here. So we'll go back into that, click on the image, and as you can see I've got a huge one here, but now I'm going to put in, I'll put in the dragon. That's what I do. Click on it, save the changes, and you'll see the dragon appear up in that corner, and it will automatically resize it, and there it is there. So that's it. That's how you change it. Now below that again are dimensions, product image thumb size, and I wouldn't change any of these. Keep these at the default, but if you want the products to come up bigger, and it's fairly straightforward, like cart size, categories size, products 500 by 500, before you make any changes, make sure you keep a note of these. In other words, just copy them, copy what's in here, or take a snapshot of it and copy it, and then if it doesn't look good, you can always revert back to the original default settings. And that's it. That's how you change your image. So the next one I'll be moving on with then is mail, and I'll have that video for that on the server. Okay then, thank you.